In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste an email in Outlook vertical bar paste to other email. Whether you are pulling a few lines of text into a reply or attaching the entire original message to a new email, I'll walk you through the simplest, most reliable ways to do it so everything ends up exactly where you expect. First, let's cover copying and pasting text from an email. Open the email that contains the text you want. Use your mouse to highlight just the portion you need. If you want everything, use the shortcut to select all. Press Ctrl-A on Windows or CMD, plus A on a Mac. With the content selected, copy it to your clipboard by pressing Ctrl-C on Windows or CMD plus C on Mac. This keeps the text ready to place wherever you want it next. Now open a new email draft or click Reply if you are responding to the sender. Click once inside the message body so Outlook knows where to put the text. Then paste with Ctrl-V on Windows or CMD plus V on Mac. You'll see the copied text appear right in your draft. If the formatting doesn't look quite right, don't worry. You can adjust it after pasting using the formatting tools in Outlook. The key is making sure your cursor is in the message body before you paste, so it lands in the right spot. Sometimes you need to include the entire original email as a file attachment, keeping its headers and formatting intact. Here's the quickest way using the right-click method. In your message list, right-click the email you want to attach and choose Copy. Open your new draft, click in the message body, and paste with Ctrl-V or CMD plus V. Outlook will attach the original email to your message, and you'll see it show up as a file beneath the subject line or in the attachment area. You can also attach an email by dragging and dropping. Pop out a new email in its own window so you can see it alongside your inbox. Then click and hold the email you want to attach from the message list. Drag it into the body of your new message and release. Outlook will add it as an attachment automatically. This is a great option if you prefer a visual approach and want to confirm the attachment appears exactly where you expect. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.